spandex Spartan, where is he? Showing the world his little fanny. What is up, YouTube? I'm Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And boy, do I have some riding today. We are going back to Sarah Street Grill in Stroudsburg, PA. And this is some of the most beautiful riding you can do on back roads in West New Jersey, around the PA border. And PA is beautiful as well. I'm with Nico, Lever, Monica, Ray, and the legend himself, Big Larry. Come on, give a round of applause for Big Larry, will you? You see that? There's turkeys just hanging out. You're like, I'm just gonna hang over here. Maybe we'll get a beer. Love this bike, man. I do miss Big Sheila, I'm not gonna lie. That engine is something else, but my knees are grateful. Do yourself a favor, go ride a Pan America. If you're over 5'9" and have like a 32-inch inseam, you should be fine. At this, I'm splitting this up into 2 videos because it is just beautiful riding up here, and I'll drop it Wednesday and Friday, so you only have to wait a day for part 2. I love it up here, love it. I tell you, like, the scenery and the roads, this was almost like it was made for motorcycles. I mean, look at that old brick house, man. Friggin', I love old brick houses. When I win the lottery tonight, I'm gonna buy me a old brick house, rescue me a Staffy or a Boston or maybe one of each, and I'm gonna take them and raise them right. They're gonna have manners, and they're gonna wear silly little outfits, and they're going to like it. Maybe I'll drink some White Claw, get my white girl on, you know what I'm saying? Get them furry boots and some long coffee order at Starbucks that takes like 2 minutes to say, that involves pumps and dumps and roundhouse kicks and backflips. I don't know. And we'll use a silly name for the cup size too, like, I don't know, friggin' Doo-Doo Hammer 5000. Not large or extra large. It's galactically incorrect large. What's up, fella? Oh, hell yeah, dude. He's out here getting it on a Grom. This has got to be so much fun on a Grom. And if you like Groms, make sure you give my video a thumbs up or leave a comment. And if you like cows, you can give the thumbs up as well. They're just hanging out, having the time of their life. Entering Hope. Funny, I haven't even met her yet. Humor. Yeah, this is a cool little area. Wait till we get up here. We're gonna make a turn, and I believe there's a church on our right. It's friggin' sweet. It's a bank. Whoops. Someone made a whoopsie. 219 south in Warren County. Sam Squinch. Wow. Yeah, this is probably going to be one of the more visually pleasing scenic rides you'll see on my channel. On the YouTube channel, that is. I don't really put the same content on this and Rumble because what's the point? I'll make videos and I'm cutting massive chunks of them out, and the scenery is like this, like it's nice, and it's a shame. So I was like, you know what? Why not put them on the other side? That you're just gonna see everybody's head going back and forth because it's visually pleasing. I mean, you know, it's just amazing. It really is. This kind of reminds me of Virginia, Staunton, where we were, and Luray. I hope I'm saying that way right, rather. Luray. Hell, I'd go back to Luray just to go to Coors and see the General Lee again. And that's what I'm talking about. That's a real car right there. And you get yourself a fine woman, and you get her a Jeep, and you make her wear Daisy Dukes, and you involve her in all your shenanigans. Guys can see this, but Lever's got to cool off the boys, so he's riding that Honda Spread Eagle. He's scissoring the air. See what I'm talking about? Look at this. This is wild. Anybody's watching my channel and you ride a Challenger, I'm going to put, I don't know, what do you call them, fog lights, auxiliary, oh my god, you know what I mean, lights. I always have a hard time with that friggin' word. And I had Baja Designs on the Pan Am, and let me tell you, those lights were worth every friggin' penny. They would like light up the road to the point where I could read the designer of the shirt the guy in the car had. But I really like the Indian lights. But I'm reading, if you do the Indian lights, you have to go to the dealer and there's another charge and they have to turn it on in the computer. But I mean, they do look great, man. They do. I kind of feel like up here, if there's like a sound outside your house at night, like you need to have a small arsenal of guns. I'm talking M249, M16, RPG, maybe the M1 Abrams tank too, just in case. You know, you got to be prepared, right? All right, friends. This is the end of part 1. Chickens! Part 2 will drop Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. Let me know if you like this format. I don't want to miss out on scenery, or rather cut out scenery, and it's friggin' beautiful. But come on back Friday if you'd be so kind and check out part 2.